Good morning, everyone. We're out here changing the fuel pump on a 2006 Nissan Altima. Alright, first you want to pull out the box, the fuse box, to get to your fuel pump. Alright, it's going to be that one right there. What is it, 15 amps. So you're going to want to remove the fuse for your fuel pump, which is this one right here. You're going to want to loosen your gas cap as well, so you can relieve any of the pressure that might be in there. You're going to want to twist these right off so that you can access your fuel pump. And there it is, folks. Remove this wire harness. You'll want to clean out the area. Smells pretty good. To release these lines, you're going to want to squeeze the clip and pull it off. You want to be aware and be careful about any pressure that might be in the line. Just a heads up, folks, this thing is a pain in the butt to get off. A little tip is to put some oil on all the high spots. Makes it a little easier. Here we go. There we go. Just a heads up, everyone, you're going to want to have a bucket because there's a bunch of fuel in there. You're going to want to have somewhere to put it. So here's the new pump. And we're ready to put it in. And now you're going to want to put that clip on the new part. Alright, right here are the instructions. And right over here are your instructions in real time. There we are. Alright guys, let's go insert the new fuel pump. Alright, be sure to insert your new fuel gasket. Alright, here we go. New gasket. And in goes the new fuel pump. Gonna put back the ring on. Putting this disc back on took 2 channel locks and 2 sets of hands. Just a heads up. Alright, now we're gonna hook back up our fuel lines. Hook up your wires. And bring everything back in place. And that's it, guys. Just put your back seat back in and make sure you don't forget to put your fuse back in.